In this presentation, we are going to talk about the difference between a standardized test and a normalized test. These two tests are closely related. At the same time, they have some differences. First of all, let's look at the definition of a standardized test. A standardized test is a test that is administered and scored according to specific and uniform procedures, such as questions, instructions, and conditions. It is called a standardized test because students from different places follow the same procedures. For example, a standardized test administered and scored in New York and Chicago will be in the same manner. Therefore, the measurement errors can be reduced and students' achievements can be compared. I think each of you has some experiences in taking a standardized test, such as SAT. If you came to the college, you had to take the test, which was required for the college admission. Another example is the intelligence test, which is also a standardized test. In the future, if you want to go to a graduate school, you need to take the GRE test, or called graduate record examination. It was required for the graduate school admission. Next, let's look at what a normalized test is. A normalized test refers to the process of administering a test to a representative sample in order to set up norms for a standardized test. For example, if you receive a score of 600 on mathematics in SAT, you are told that you are at the 75th percentile. How does this standard set up? Well, it's by the normalized test. A normalized test usually employs normative sample. A normative sample refers to a group of people whose performance on the test are analyzed to set up references for the future test takers. Norms and references are established by the normalized test, including questions, instructions, conditions, and descriptive statistics. Connection between the two tests are clear. First, a normalized test provides norms and references for the standardized test, including instructions, conditions, and descriptive statistics. Second, The two tests require the same settings and conditions so that the reference set by a normalized test can be transferred to a standardized test. The difference between the two tests are clear. First of all, participants are different. A standardized test targets populations, while a normalized test intends to use samples. Second, purposes are different too. A standardized test intends to determine a student's level of performance relative to the performance of other students with similar age and grade, while a normalized test intends to set up norms in employing the test. In conclusion, a standardized test is to apply the instrument to test takers. Its intention is to compare the students' achievements and make some decisions. For example, whether a student is qualified for graduation or whether a student is ready for college. On the other hand, a normalized test intends to develop such an instrument. Its intention is to set up references for future test takers. Is it clear so far about the differences between the two concepts? Please let me know if you have any questions or comments.